The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled Texas abortion providers can sue over the new state law, which will remain in effect. The court's decision comes more than a month after hearing arguments over the law banning abortions after about 6 weeks of pregnancy. Those arguments focused on legal questions around the law's enforcement mechanism, not abortion itself. So, SB 8 allows private citizens, as you know, to bring civil lawsuits with penalties of at least $10,000 for violating it. That means anyone can sue anyone who helps or assists in an abortion at 6 weeks or later. Good afternoon. I'm Sherman Chow. So the bottom line, today's opinion may mean that providers will not be resuming fetal heartbeat abortions for now. Adam Bennett joining us live from Southeast Houston. Adam, this is relatively fast for the High Court, coming about a month after they heard arguments.
Sherman, this is the most restrictive law on abortion in the country. Now, it's been in effect for about 3 months at this point, and for now, it will stay that way here at this Houston provider and others around the state. This law is Senate Bill 8, and what it does is it makes the procedure illegal after cardiac activity is detected in an embryo. Now, that's around 6 weeks, which is before many women even know that they are pregnant. There are no exceptions in this law for rape or incest. And what is unique about this particular bill is that enforcement is not up to the government, but rather private citizens. They can win at least $10,000 if they successfully sue those who either perform or even aid in the procedures after that time frame.
Although the Supreme Court is going to permit the case to go forwards against certain state officials who do licensure, it denies abortion providers what they really wanted, which was an injunction against state court judges and clerks from hearing these lawsuits against the providers. And so on balance, I would call this a win for the right to life forces, and it's going to shift the attention of the court system to the Texas state courts.
The U.S. Supreme Court just heard arguments on Mississippi's ban on abortion after 15 weeks. That case is a direct threat to Roe versus Wade. 21 states have already passed laws banning or almost all abortions if Roe v. Wade is overturned, and 16 states are working on laws to protect access to abortion. So this is a fight that will continue in the courts for quite some time. Sherman?
Yeah, and many eyes on those fights. Thank you, Adam. We will, of course, have continuing coverage on the Supreme Court ruling. More on the Texas abortion law online at khou.com.